Welcome to another episode of Pursuing Travel with the Millers Food Travel. Today we head to Western Mexico to a state that is the cradle of much of Mexico's culture, such as mariachi, tequila, ranchero music, and many different fruit varieties. We're heading to Jalisco, that is also home of one of the largest metro areas in the country of Mexico, named Guadalajara. We're talking about Birria today, that originates in Jalisco. Birria is a slow roasted meat, such as goat, beef, or lamb, that's marinated in adobo that has spices like dried chilies, garlic, and others in it. When you're done, you take the meat and put it in a consomme, which is a type of broth, and eat it as a type of stew. You can add onions, cilantro, salsa, and much more to the birria. It's called barbacoa in other areas of Mexico, but the regional name of birria has become popular, including in the United States, where birria restaurants are starting to pop up. There are other unique ways to eat birria. Another way is ramen noodles. That's very tasty, the soup version of this Mexican dish, where you add the meat and the sauce into a cup of noodles. There's also soft tacos with cheese called quesabirria that has birria, meat, and cheese in a soft taco that you can dip into the consomme. It's another great way to try this flavorful dish. We got birria a couple of times in Guadalajara while visiting a good friend and other friends there. And we have also had it at a few different places in the Houston area, including our personal favorite, Space City Birria in downtown Houston. That's a great family-owned restaurant. There are other restaurants that serve birria around Houston and the United States. Jalisco is a wonderful place to visit with a vibrant culture and so much to see and do. So if you get the chance, head over there. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and visit our website.